I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Petmate dog crate. So this is a nice crate for a small to medium-sized dog, probably around 20 pounds. It's a plastic crate, and I really like that it has a very solid construction to it. So some crates, there's just kind of snaps on the side. This actually uses these little bolts that you put in. You don't need tools to assemble it. It comes in multiple pieces, and you just use these little bolts with these little hand-tightened wing nuts that hold the top to the bottom. And it feels nice and secure as a result of that because it has a lot of these closures all the way around the side. So you can feel confident picking it up, moving it around, and also that your dog's not going to break out. Or if you're going to use it for travel, I think that's really essential to have a really secure connection between the top and the bottom. So to me, that's the top priority. I also like that because it's an all plastic construction, it's very easy to clean on the inside. So it's got these sloping sides, so if there's any kind of mess in there, especially with a puppy, it's very easy to clean that out. And some other nice features, it has this very secure door with a top and bottom lock. So you just squeeze the handle here to open and close this door. And because it is locking in at the top and bottom, it makes it just a little bit more secure there. And finally, it has this top part where you can actually open by squeezing these, open this top door. And that's great if you have a dog who resists coming out the front of the crate. You don't have to be reaching in, trying to yank them out. You can just open the top here and very gently remove them. I think this would work well for a cat as well, probably a cat of almost any size, if you're taking them to the vet or you have another need to transport them. So that is the Petmate crate. That's working great for me with my Bichon Frises, and it was super easy to put together, and again, very nice and secure.